Alright, so this is actually going to be quite a cool video. It's as simple as this. All you need to do is type in the search bar of your browser the following search term. That looks like this. You just need to hit enter over here. Use this strange click-to-speak and voice generation software over here. Copy this interesting voice and text generation that you've just created and come over to this website, and you're going to come over to all of these databases over here. Paste all this information and you can see anywhere between $50 and $3,000 post searching this term on Google. And a very small group of people are actually talking about this or know about this. And I've only found one other person talking about this on YouTube, and luckily I found this early enough to share this with you guys. I tested it and got some good results online from this. So make sure to use this strategy effectively if you'd like to benefit the most from it. This video is going to be a simple 10 to 15 minute screen recording showing you each and every step on how you need to do this. The money you make from it, you can keep it all to yourself. You don't need to owe me commissions or pay a percentage or anything like that. It's all 100% yours, so you can do what you like with it, so stay wise. And just a few informations about this trick. Anybody who has a PC or a phone with internet connection can do this and make money from it. All you need is a bank or a PayPal account or a Bitcoin wallet to get paid from this. All of these payments are accepted worldwide. I'm sure anyone in any country, there are banks in your local country. If you can get a PayPal account, that is great. If you can't get a PayPal account, just go and get a Bitcoin wallet, as that's worldwide. It's worldwide, free to do. You don't need any money out of your own pocket to start with this. With that being said, if you love making money online, make sure to subscribe to the Millionaire Mindset channel with me, Jay Froneman, with the notifications bell on, so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a value-packed video just like this one. And in every single video, I'm doing some kind of giveaway, whether it's a money giveaway or a free course or resource giveaway. You'll see the past 2 to 3 weeks, I've been giving away $10 in every single video. Comment down below if you'd like to see more money giveaways or if you want more course and resource giveaways. In this video, I'm doing a course giveaway. Over here, I am giving away an entire Fiverr mastery course on this one particular guru has made over $20,000 to $30,000 per year, complete part-time, doing the strange side hustle on Fiverr.com. So all you need to do is leave a like on this video, subscribe to this channel with the bell on, comment down below that you're ready, and I'll reply with the link to this page, and the download link will be sent straight to your email. Alright guys, so this is the first and simple easy step. There's going to be a couple of steps in this video, and it's important that you follow each and every step. Over here is the website we are going to use to combine with Google searches to make money online. So this is a website where you can make a living writing. Now, we're not going to write our own books. We're not going to take the time out of our day to open up a page or a piece of paper and write all day. This will literally take 2 to 3 minutes to do, and you can make money with this website. It's a very interesting little loophole that I found that hardly anybody knows at all with this website. So in fact, keep all of this information to yourself so you can reap the most rewards from this. And just to be clear, this website does have a very good reputation and does actually work. It's been listed on websites such as Forbes, Entrepreneur, The Right Life, Write It Down, Copy Blogger, Smart Blogger, has very positive reviews and has very positive feedback. And there are 3 main things that you can do on this website. You can become a freelancer website, so you can learn, take courses on how to become a freelance writer. That's not important. Over here, how to make money writing. So on this website, they actually offer you opportunities to make money writing. This is the little loophole that we are going to use to make money with this website. Otherwise, you can also find freelance writing jobs on this website that will also pay. Or you can find other writers that will write for you and pay them to do work for you. This website has a ton of different features that many other websites don't have in this niche, such as you can get your first freelance writing jobs for free, better writing clients, build your writing income to 6 figures. You can earn well from blogging, no scams on this website, improve productivity, banish your fears of writing, set up your business, discover your best paid writing niches, use social media, spot and avoid difficult clients, get paid with the right freelancer invoicing strategy. But don't worry, like I mentioned, we're not going to write anything ourselves. It's a very interesting loophole that I'm going to show you right now. So I want to show you this page on this exact same websites that I came to over here. So this is a page that will show you freelance websites that will pay you $50 plus, some even over $3,000. Take a look at this. If I scroll down slowly, this is an entire database where you can get paid to write essays, business, career and finance articles, family and parenting, health, life and general interest, tech, travel and food, writing. I can scroll down forever and ever, and there are so many different platforms listed on this database that will pay you to write online. Take a look at this. Salon pays $100 to $200 for writing simple essays. These guys paid $200, $50, $150 to $200, $200, $250, 6 to 10 cents per word, $100 per post, $200 per post, $400 per post. Over here, $150. So these websites are paying solid. It's not $1 or $2. As you can see, it's 50 to hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It's not small money at all. So if you really want to make a lot of money from this and reap the most rewards from this, I suggest you pay attention to what I'm about to show you. And I just quickly want to show you a second website that you can use to make a second stream of income through this loophole completely passively while you're doing the first one. This website is called textbroker.com. Come over to textbroker.com, that's over here on the screen. Click on I write content and click on payments over here. It will take you to a page like this, and you can actually work out exactly what you can earn. So let's say you do a little bit of writing as a beginner and you do a 1,000-word essay. You're going to get paid $7 for that 1,000-word essay or article. Let's say over time you've been writing a bit, you get 3 stars, you're now going to get $10 per article. If you get to 4 stars, you're now going to get $14 per $1,000 article. 5 stars will pay $50 per 1,000-word article. Yes, in the beginning you will start with 2 stars, but everyone starts somewhere. But what I like about this first website over here, you don't need to start anywhere. You can get started straight away and earn $150 of this website, $325 of this website straight off the bat. But let's say you become a 5-star writer and the max you can earn on this website, so you do a 12,000 word, that's a big essay or a book, you'll get $600 as a 5-star writer. Let's say you're only 2 stars, you're going to get $84 for a 12,000 word book. So now that we've got these 2 websites, that's textbroker.com and the second one over here that I'm going to reveal in a bit, I'm going to show you this little loophole that we can go and do this effectively. All you need to do is come over to Quora.com and you want to search the following, just like this: how to learn English. Click on the enter button or click on the search button over here. And there are some very high quality pieces of content on Quora that will teach you how to write English and how to do and learn English effectively. So we can open up, for example, some of these posts over here. How do we study English effectively? I'm just going to open this in a new tab. How can I learn English easily and how can I become fluent in English? Let's open up these 3. Over here, you'll see people writing entire done for you little articles. Over here, people are giving you these nice simple articles and steps on the right way to learn English. Over here, stage 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is free, copyright free information that you are allowed to use on Quora. Over here, there's some more people. Thanks for the question. There are 4 ways to learn English. Over here is quite a nice article that will teach you 4 ways on how to learn English. Over here is another person. If I click on more, take a look at this. Also, quite a nice written article, 4-step article on how to learn English. So these people are posting really good articles that you can use, free information for you to learn from. And there's a lot of people viewing this. I mean, for example, if I come up to the top again, this one over here has 8K views with 139 upvotes. This one over here has 3.2K views. This one over here looks pretty new. No, can't really see anything. 3K views. This one over here is 4.3K views. So a lot of people are searching for this. A lot of people want to learn how to speak and write or learn English effectively. And the reason why I love Quora so much for the strategy is because you can find hundreds of different articles and strategies in so many different categories. You don't have to do how to learn English. You can, for example, type how to play golf. Golf. Over here, click on enter and you can open up this one over here. How do I better at golf? Let's open this up. This person even gives you quite a nice picture illustration. So here's, for example, people, if I click on more, people are giving, wow, this is nice and long, entire articles on how to play better golf. Different steps, how to maybe practice your swing or your stance, 100 fast versus your local pro facts. So it's really well written articles. This one over here, really good. Some nice tips that we can go and use. So that's what I really like about Quora. Again, just to show you as another example, you can find anything in any different search you can think of. So now that you've got all of this content on Kartra, let's just use how can I learn English easily. This consists over here of, I would say, 600 to 800 words. This little article over here alone. This one over here is also probably about 1,000 words. Now, if you combine these two, you're looking at close to 2,000 words. Now, just quickly want to show you. This website over here is paying $300 for 1,500 to 4,000 words. This one over here is paying $200 to $300 for 2,000 words. This one over here is paying 13 cents to 27 cents per word. Let's calculate that. Let's take an average of 0.17, which is 17 cents, multiplied by 2,000 words. That is $340 that you will get paid from this website. This website is paying $50 for a simple 600 word review. This website is paying $350 to $1,000 for various different article posts. This website is $300, so you're looking at anywhere between $200 to $300, sometimes up to $1,000 per post. If you do this 3 times a month, that's $3,000 searching Google in just a month. And what you can also do is you can come over to Google and search the following. Medium.com, and you want to put colon, and you just want to type how to learn English. Click on enter over here, and Google is going to give you tons of free article websites without any copyright issues. For example, 12 tips to learn and practice English over here that you can also use. For example, this entire article here, don't worry, we're not going to copy and paste. That is well over 4,000 words. Free content, free article here with free ideas that you can use and get influence from to make this money online searching on Google. So all you need to do is, this is the last and final step. You want to open up a plain Google document over here. That's docs.google.com/document. Over here, you just want to click on the tools button on the top left. Click on the voice typing over here. And all you want to do is leave this in an open tab over here. Come over to this article that we found on Medium or Quora.com, and you want to read this out slowly into the Google documents that you can rewrite it. But the reason why we're doing the voice generator is because it's much faster than typing every word. So over here, because you also don't want to copy and paste this directly to this document, because that's plagiarism. The reason why you want to use your own voice is because you can maybe speak it in your own words, change it up a bit. So for example, instead of saying start speaking from day 1, you can say important things to get you started. You need to put the effort in and start from the first day instead of procrastinate. So that's just another way of saying this in your own words. You need to keep that in mind and not copy this yourself, because if this website over here, by the way, called makelivingwriting.com/make-money-writing, sees that you are copying articles off Quora or Medium.com, you're not going to get paid. They will see that and they will ban you. So it's very important to use these articles over here, but speak them into your own words onto Google Documents. Just to show you how this works. Hello, how are you? As you can see, it's pretty accurate. I just spoke into my mic. Hello, how are you? It popped up pretty much in 2 to 3 seconds. So it's much faster. That took way faster than me having to type that out. And once you've written your article, all you want to do is come back to this website over here. Let's, for example, choose this website here, parent.co, that's paying $50 per article. It's going to open up this website over here. All you need to do is follow the simple steps. So you just need to click on share your story over here. Once that gets approved, you just see 700 to 900 words, you'll get paid $50. And I also quickly wanted to explain something to you guys. So this strategy may get you an extra couple of hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month. But I also wanted to show you something that is a lot more lucrative, that pays a lot more, that can actually help you start earning today without submitting any articles, and in fact without doing any of the hard work yourself. So over here is my results on one of my drop servicing stores this week that generated $14,000 in revenue. I will be honest, this is not all profit. Profit was about $8,000 from this. So basically what I do is I sell rare high income skills and services that take years to study, that people pay a lot of money for because it's a very rare high income service, without actually actually doing the work myself. Someone pays me, let's say $1,000 to make a website. All I go and do is I go pay a freelance expert that does just of an amazing job, let's say $80, and I will keep $920 in my pocket because I just learned how to brand my service well, which plays a big role in making huge profits with this. So drop servicing is a very similar concept to that of drop shipping, but instead of drop shipping products, we're now drop shipping rare high income skills and services. So this is far less saturated than drop shipping. Profits and margins is much more with drop servicing because now you're making anywhere between $300 to $500 per sale instead of only $5 to $10 per coffee mug or whatever you're drop shipping. And over here, if you come over to the first link in the description, I've set up an entire 26-minute video free masterclass or training on my 6-figure drop servicing university or bootcamp, where it's a 4-week intensive training program and video training program, one-on-one video mentoring with me that will have me design your successful drop servicing store with you, next to you along the entire way. In fact, in this university or course, I give away an entire done-for-you drop servicing agency that personally generated me $98,000 in 2020 as a boost for you to get started immediately with drop servicing. And I will be transparent, this course is a paid program. It is currently on huge special at $397 to help out with the pandemic period, as remember, this is years of information that I've taken to put together. It's personal sensitive information that I use to personally generate, well, if I work this out, this is about $40,000 per month, every single month drop servicing. So this I feel is far too valuable information to be for free on YouTube, but it was quite high in demand where people did want one-on-one mentoring and a course from me. So over here you can see all the bonuses included. So all I suggest is go over to the first link in the description, watch this free training over here, read throughout the page, see everything included, all the modules. If you scroll down some more over here, you can see each and every module included in the curriculum. When you're ready, you can check out over here, enter the coupon that will take this course all the way down to $397, and it will be immediately sent to your email, where you'll get your own private login to the private membership area where you'll see me over there. So without further ado, make sure to click on the first link in the description and I'll see you there.